sa ilang panagdumog, giiko niya ang dapi-dapi ni Jacob ug naligas ang lutahan niini.
Then he said, "Let me go, for the day is breaking." But Jacob said, "I will not let you go unless you bless me."
Mingon siya nga, buhi na lang ko kay kadlaw na ba? Adlaw na.
And he said to him, "What is your name?"
Mingon siya nga, ayaw ko dili ta kabuhian mintras dili ko nimo panalanginan. Unsa day imuhang pangalan?
Then he said to the man, "You shall no longer be called Jacob, but Israel.
Dili, mingon siya, dili nakatawgon nga Jacob kundi Israel.
For you have striven with God and with humans,
Tungod kay ikaw nakigdumog sa Dios ug sa tao.
and you have prevailed."
Unya bidaw ka.
Then Jacob asked him, "Please tell me your name."
Unya mingon si Jacob, sulti ra gud ko sa imong pangalan.
But he said, "Why is it that you ask my name?"
Nganong mangutana man gyud ka sa akong pangalan?
And there he blessed him.
Unya iya siya gipanalanginan.
So Jacob called the place Peniel,
Unya si Jacob ginganlan to niya ng dapit nga Peniel,
saying, "For I have seen God face to face,
tungod kay akong nakita ang Dios naong sa naong,
and yet my life is preserved."
unya ang akong kinabuhi preserbar.
So the whole story is about this moment.
Ang tibuok istorya dinhi nato makita nini nga panahon.
God spoke a prophecy to Abraham.
Ang Dios nag-istorya propesya kang Abraham.
It is clear that that prophecy is meant to come through Jacob.
Kadto nga propesya giklaro gyud nga mahitabo kadto para kang Jacob.
But Jacob was not meant to stay Jacob.
Sipat si Jacob, di siya gusto magpabilin nga Jacob lang gihapon.
Jacob was meant to become Israel.
Si Jacob nakalatag na nadaan na mahimo siyang si Israel.
Jacob was a man.
Si Jacob daw,
Israel was a nation.
ang Israel nason.
God wanted to birth a nation through Jacob.
Ang Dios gusto nga magpakatao ko sa kanason pinagi kang Jacob.
But Jacob was never going to become Israel
Pero si Jacob wa siya magdamgo mga mahimo siyang Israel.
until he emptied everything in his life and sent it forward.
Hangtod nga iyang blanco una ang iyang kinabuhi unya iya kini gipaabanti tanan.
Before Jacob could become Israel,
Sa dili pa mahimong Israel si Jacob,
there had to be nothing in his life
kinahanglan unang way mabilin sa iyang kinabuhi.
except wrestling with God.
Usa na lang kabutang kanang makigdumog sa Dios.
God had to bring Jacob to a moment where he was totally alone.
At gidala si Jacob sa Dios sa panahon nga kanang mag-inusara na lang yun
Where
siya.
he could wrestle with Jacob face to face.
Para makigdumog kang Jacob naong sa naong.
And in that wrestling,
Niya nang maong pakigdumog,
Jacob demands once again,
si Jacob nagdima na po siya o sa lain gayon.
"You must bless me,
Mingon siya panalangin ko.
and I will not let go of you until you bless me."
Dili yung takabuhian minkas di ko nimo panalanginan.
God wants us to wrestle with him.
Gusto sa Dios kakita makigdumog kaniya.
Before God can change your name and identity, he wants you to wrestle with him.
Sa dili pa niya usbon ang imong pangalan kinsa ikaw gusto niya nga imo siyang dumugon una.
All of us need to go through a time and a season where we empty ourselves of everything around us.
Doon lagi panahon nga kita
Where we wrestle with God.
Noon lagi panahon nga blagkon kita tanan wa nay mabilin kanato hangtod nga makigdumog ka sa Dios.
Then God does something interesting.
Unya nang Dios naghimo kining pinaka-interesado dinhi.
Because Jacob would not stop wrestling.
Tungod kay si Jacob wa man undan sa pakigdumog,
He strikes Jacob on the hip,
iyang gihampak si Jacob diri sa
and his hip was put out of joint.
moto nga nabikil tong iyang joint diri.
And even in the pain,
Bisan gani og may sakit,
even in the injury,
bisan tuod og igo na siya medyo bikil na siya,
Jacob refuses to let go.
di gihapon niya buhian.
Sometimes God needs to stop you from running
Doon ay panahon nga gusto sa Dios nga pahunungon ka sa imong pagdagan
so that he can walk you into your destiny.
para maglakaw ikaw kauban niya paingon sa imong destinasyon.
Jacob was too good at running.
Si Jacob may nangudagan.
Jacob was too good at figuring things out his own way.
Si Jacob mayo kayo niya na.
So before Jacob can be Israel,
Sa dili pa mahimong Israel si Jacob,
God has to take some things from him.
Doon ay kuhaon sa Dios nga naa kaniya.
And this is the message for today.
Mao ni ang mensahe karon.
This is my prayer for all of you.
Mao ni ang akong pagampo para kaninyong tanan.
Can you all stand up, please?
Pwede ka mo makatindog?
We are called to wrestle with God.
Gitawag kita para makigdumog sa Dios.
We are called to run with a calling.
Gitawag kita nga magdagan uban sa atong pagtawag.
God wants to prepare us to be faithful and successful.
Giandam kita sa Dios